Oh, high above the clouds, in a land no one had ever seen, lived a fairy named Lila. She had sparkling wings and a magical paintbrush. Every morning, Lila painted the sky with bright colors, pink, gold, and purple, so the world below would wake up smiling. But one morning she woke up and the paintbrush was gone. Lila fluttered her wings and searched everywhere. She looked in the rainbow valleys, the cotton cloud mountains, and the sparkling river of stars.
Where could it be?
She wondered. Just then, a playful wind whispered.
Follow me.
Lila flew behind the wind and discovered a mischievous little cloud named Nimbus. He had borrowed her paintbrush to make silly shapes in the sky. There were hearts, stars, and even a giant smiling moon.
Nimbus! That's my magic paintbrush.
Lila said, trying not to laugh at the funny shapes.
Oh, I just wanted to make everyone happy.
Nimbus replied, looking sorry. Lila thought for a moment.
Maybe we can paint together.
And so Lila and Nimbus worked together. Lila painted beautiful sunrises and rainbow bridges, while Nimbus added twinkling stars and funny cloud shapes. The sky became the most magical anyone had ever seen. Birds chirped in delight, and children below clapped as they saw dancing colors above them.
We did it!
Lila giggled. The sky has never been so happy. From that day on, Lila and Nimbus painted the sky together every morning, and whenever someone looked up, they remembered that a little teamwork and friendship can make the world brighter. The sky wasn't just colorful, it was full of magic, laughter, and happiness.